To my beautiful, amazing people on this app called TikTok, Jamaican people. This app is not just used as a social space. You are being monitored, you are being watched. Every single thing that you guys are doing on this app is being taken noticed of. A whole heap of something going on the app here. A whole heap of something going on the app here. And I just want to say to the TikTokers, them said us, whatever I do, find a way to start unite to make money on that thing and stop fight against one another to make money on that app here, because them are going to bump off the whole of blood clot to know after that app here. If you don't ever think say it automatic for you to depend here, so behave and carry on the way you not carry on in front of the world. Like sometimes I try my hardest for no shame of my country. But when me really look and see the wheat and tears that separate itself in front of my eyes right now, I can't help but the videos like them here and hope say me real Jamaican people, they must see them and not pay attention to how foolish we are look on the world stage right now. And me just want to say, as we move forward into 2024 and 2025, the prison where them are built for we, it is now. And we not try to create no panicking and no public panic or no public rage or no public, discontent or whatever the fuck them want to call what we are do. We just want to say to the ones them we are here, say, keep your eyes and your ears them wide open, because it is happening. The world is changing. A lot of deep, dark, dirty things are revealed in front of our face. And the longer we take to accept them for what them is the longer we are going to stay in the position that we are in. There's an election coming up in February. We see the government out and try start them campaigning already. They are going to set you against you one another, the inner city community them, my God almighty, the inner city community them. To come for if we don't start uniting them now, the youth them, we have a gun them in the inner city them, we don't need to go lock them way and start friend up on one another them, even if I in a pretense, because these people are going to look any reason for kill out on a bomber clot or turn on in a Batman and lesbian. Them not have no problem if no soul gone to the devil, and we now go depend them up here every day. I try you talk to no. This is me and one of them. We are clock out tight because we are do all of the one in the way we can want, all of the tell we can tell and say stop take everything for granted. Pay attention to what we now do and listen to some of the things that we are said, because the fucking army we set up round a slave we not gonna be for the rest of our life down here. You hear that, Jamaican people? Okay. Can't, so we never tell you,